Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA, got a new unboxing video today. I'm going to be unboxing some more Ultrasaber mystery boxes. If you haven't noticed, there's definitely a cause and effect going on. Ultrasabers has a Frankensaber promotion, and I ordered enough stuff to get a Frankensaber. Funny how that works. All right. You ever notice that I have the same transition words every time I start a new segment? I'll say all right or so. So, sorry for that, but it's gonna be a hard habit to break. All right, first out of the gate, here's the very first one, and it's a great one. It's going to be a Apprentice V4. Man, first one out of the gate, Apprentice V4. That's exciting. I got one of these my last mystery box order, so it looks like these are coming in much more abundance as mystery boxes. This one's going to be in Guardian Blue. Nice. Next up, it's going to be a Sentinel V4. We've got the traditional pommel and have an AV switch with emitter windows. And this one's going to be in blazing red. Alright, next up, we've got the Dominic's LE V5. Man, that is a nice looking saber. All of the V5s have AV switches and emitter windows. And this is going to be another one in blazing red. Alright, next up, we've got an Apprentice V5. Y'all know I like these. Standard pommel, AV switch. Nice. This one's going to be in Sunrider's Destiny. So, that's nice. Yeah, I like that color. It looks good on that hilt too. Alright, next saber. We've got an Aeon Le V2, a little bit thinner of a hilt. AV switch again. Oh, nice. It's going to be pink. I believe this is going to be hot pink. That's a $20 upgrade, whether it's Banehearts or hot pink. I've got an order in right now to do a comparison. I've ordered hot pink and Bane's Heart and do a side-by-side comparison. So I'll know better when I can look at them side by side, but I believe this one's going to be hot pink. Next saber is going to be an Aeon V4, regular pommel, AV switch, emitter windows. I'm seeing a theme. So far I've seen a couple of the V4s, which is fine. I like the V4 models, but they've all had AV switches. Well, all the sabers have had AV switches, but the V4s so far have had emitter windows, which is nice. And there's going to be another Sunrider's Destiny. Sunrider's Destiny is a $5 upgrade, same as the Violet Amethyst. And I think for $5 upgrades that they really add something to the saber. It feels a little bit different. I think those $5 upgrade LED colors are well worth it if you're looking for something a little different. Next up, we have an Apprentice V4, AV switch, emitter windows, and consular green. That looks really nice. I'm a big fan of the green. Don't get enough of them in my opinion. Haven't got one of these in a while. The next saber is a Liberator V3. And it's a good looking one. It has kind of a really nice finish. Got a mark right there. But other than that, it looks really nice. AV switch. Got this really subtle choke point here in the middle. And this one's going to be in blazing orange. Oh, correction, fire orange. Blazing red, fire orange. Again, a lot of orange lately. So I'm glad this was my first one. I like the orange. I think it's a great looking color. But anytime I get too much of one thing, I'm going to wish for something else. You know, if I wanted predictable, then I wouldn't order so many mystery boxes. Next saber is going to be an Aeon V5, Aeon Le V5. Really nice looking gold. This one's going to be in blazing orange again. Kind of looks good with the gold. All right. Our 10th one is going to be another Sentinel V4. AV switch again. Emitter windows again. And we're going to have another consular green. And this particular saber looks really nice in green. I like it. Wow, I've got a Sentinel V4 and I have an Apprentice V4. Kind of a matching set of the larger saber and Shoto size saber. That's nice. In the same blade colors. That's nice. Here's the first 10 sabers of the order. Part 2 is going to have the Frankensaber in it. And it's going to be a little bit longer of a video. So I wanted to take a minute to thank you. Each and every one of you. Y'all have been awesome. I could not ask for better viewers to partner with in this community. Y'all really knocked it out of the park in the last month or two. I think we got 250 subscribers in right around just over a month, and that's all you. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm thankful and I'm appreciative, and let's keep it going. Let's keep doing what we're doing. Let the suggestions pour in. Let me know in the comments below what's some kind of stuff that you want to see. I know I'm behind on some videos. I've been very, very busy between work and family life and the holidays, and I'm going to try to get in a rhythm and get caught up. I know I've got a lot of reviews that I've been promising you, and I'm going to do my best to get caught up. So now's a chance. I'm going to try to clear out my list. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about these sabers? What do you think about what we're doing? What do you think about what you want us to do? So let me know in the comments below. If you like this content, let us know with a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We have under 200 subscribers now into our next giveaway. We're doing one at 1,000. I don't know what we're doing, but we're going to do something. We're going to do something. We're going to have a sound saber. So if you like this content, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. That's going to do it. Thank you for watching.